Did you get your TikTok video muted now in 2024 and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how I was able to fix this issue myself. Because actually I had this problem also myself, that I just got a muted video, but I did this step by step guide that I'm going to explain to you now, and it actually worked for me. So what you're going to do firstly is to go into your TikTok app, and then you're going to come to your profile right here, as you can see. And now on your profile, then what you're going to do is to locate the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines, and as you can see, we get to this page right here, and we can see these alternatives. So in here, we're going to click where it says settings and privacy. So click on settings and privacy. Now we should be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So what you're going to do on this page is to just scroll down. Keep scrolling down until you can see where it says report a problem, and that is exactly where you need to click. So click on report a problem. Just going to load, so just a second, and perfect. As you can see, we should now be taken here. What you're going to do now is to just scroll down in here and scroll down until you can see where it says submit a report, as you can see. So click on submit a report. Should be all the way down below, as you can see. So when you have done so, now you should be taken here. And now you might ask yourself, why do I have to come to this page right here? And that's a great question. The reason why I need to come to this page right here is because in here, we're actually able to contact the TikTok support, and they are the only ones that can help us to fix the video that's been muted, basically. So you're going to write like this. I'm just going to switch to English here. I recently got my TikTok video muted and it was done wrongfully. Please unmute that video. So basically that is exactly what you need to write to them. I recently got my TikTok video muted and it was done wrongfully. Please unmute that video. Now click on submit. And what you're going to do now is to wait about 1 to 2 business days for the TikTok support to see this, and sometimes it's even much faster in that. It can take a couple of hours as well, just so you know. But just wait for them to answer you back, because now, as you can see, I have an open case with them. You will also see open, and then when they answer you, it will say closed. So hopefully after you have seen this, then this problem will be fixed for you.